motherfucker. RGB lights on there. That's totally fire, man. Looking at this clean ass BMW. Hell fucking yeah. There's always gonna be one that sounds like Ash. There's gotta be one. At least one.
That wasn't bad though.
It wasn't that bad, but it hurts my fucking ears. I can't believe I passed this Supra twice and forgot about it. Hold on. Yeah. GR Supra, yes sir. Big ass wheels on the... Damn. Hey, what's this say? What's this say? What's that say? You come suck on these nuts, nigga? You got the Hellcat. Alright. Hood off just for me. He knew I was gonna glaze this shit. I'm gonna bust over that.
Okay.
I forgot I'm in public.
I'm not sure about cars, but are those the cylinders? Oh, the cylinders are under.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're not the cylinders. Nigga, can you stop? That's the supercharger.
No, what is that squeak?
That's the supercharger. That's the supercharger mixed in with the engine. The engine gives like the lower sound. The supercharger's in. But yeah, each cylinder is gonna have like an exhaust coming from it. Like the exhausts are gonna merge at the bottom, obviously, but
yeah,
it's gonna have one intake, one exhaust coming from each cylinder. So you can count the intakes. That's how you can usually figure it out like that.
I was just curious.
This shit's nice though.
I need to learn some stuff before I try to do this shit.
I think it's mostly stock, but holy shit, we gotta. That's an Accord Integra I fuck with right there. This looks, it just looks clean though. Like chrome stickers are fuck with them. It looks cooler from far away. What the fuck else is here? We did.
Somebody make a video of that, bro?
That would have been fucking great, huh? Yo, Big Wayne gang. Big Wayne gang? You ain't with the Big Wayne gang? What? I was looking at the Big Wayne 350, 370, whatever. Can you count?
Which side is the
You got this.
It's 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 4. That's a...
You can take pictures.
I've never seen somebody pull up to a car meet in a Hellcat and be black. Behind you. Brock? Holy shit, I ain't seen that name on a fucking... He got the Holly carburetors. Sure. That doesn't sound like... You gonna take pictures pictures of anything?
Yeah, I'm a sneaky nigga.
You know what? I'll believe that. Yeah, I'm gonna see like an Instagram post of my ass in like 30 minutes. Another clean as fuck. That's what a Mustang sounds like. Showed up like that. He just bitched that motherfucker. Got the GTs right here. About to blow my ears out if he starts revving. Holy shit. Mostly stock. That's pretty hard to find. Yeah. It's a E30 M2. It is not an M3. It's an E30 but not an M3. I thought it was an M3. M3s are like rare as fuck. Bikers over there. Truck over there still got the fucking balls. His ears are gonna be damaged. Her ears or whatever. Oh damn. Damn, bro. That's not the truck, that's not mine. It's behind the truck. Of course he's white. Audi A4 with a pop tune, yeah.
I gotta get a car, bro. I gotta start buying my shit. No more money spent.
That truck had it.
What was in there?
It sounds like a small block V8, I guess, but I may be wrong. I think it's a small block, but that shit had the balls dipping in and out of them fucking Mustangs. Only 8 minutes on my fucking SD. Solid. You want to finish this video off? You want to give me the money shot?
You know what I mean?